What a wonderful presentation, what is. Can you give a big round of applause? That was wonderful. Golden age, golden age. Everybody asks, when is the golden age is going to be here? That's a very common question. People get impatient. What is golden age? Is golden age you're going to wake up one day and have a golden age, everything is covered with gold? Is it going to be a world without any hurricanes, earthquakes, Katrinas? No. Are you going to wake up rich with your bank accounts all bulging? No. Or is it going to be all food everywhere, everybody has food? Is that golden age? What is Swami talking about golden age? Golden age is when we start looking within. It's an individual state of mind. When we start practicing Swami's 5 human values, we are in golden age. When I becomes we are in golden age. I'm going to tell you a small story what golden age is all about, and you can decide. Once Krishna asked Duryodhana, the oldest of the Kauravas, go around the whole world and find one good person. And he comes back and he says, I don't see any good people. I am the only good person in this whole world. Then Krishna sends Dharmaraj. Dharmaraj, go around and find one bad person. And he goes around the whole world and first comes back and says, Krishna, I don't see any bad person at all. I am the only one bad person in this whole world. Let us all be Dharmaraja. And when we become Dharmarajas, we will be in the golden age. Sai Ram.
Sai Ram. I would like to invite Brother Pardu, who is very instrumental in writing the script, to go ahead with the...
Just one thought I always had about the Satya Sai organization that Swami has blessed me to be part of. Usually people perceive it as an organization which does bhajans and service, but it is not. That is what my understanding is. There are so many organizations which have a lot of musical exploration that they do, and a lot of organizations which spend more money for service. But this is one and only one organization in the entire universe that has the pure jnana that I am God. And there is only one and only Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba who can explain the truth in the simplest of forms, and can have millions of people attain that stage of I am God. And this drama is just a humble attempt to depict that. And also, when we see about golden age, as Professor Sir has explained in the morning, Jnatum Drashtumcha Tatvena Praveshtumcha, that state of Praveshtum, the highest state of jnana, of oneness with God, that alone can give us complete happiness, and this golden age is a depiction of that state. And we are distributing now some promises which we could make to Swami so that we become instruments in fulfilling the mission for which he has come for. I will read out the promises. See what strikes with your heart, and please stick them and keep a copy with yourselves and put the other copy in the boxes in the Swami's altar here. Beloved Lord Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba, thank you Swami for allowing me to play this game. I shall keep my heart fully free of the impurities of anger, desire, delusion, envy, pride and greed. For with the presence of these, all the good effects of bhajans and service are nullified. I shall stand up to your expectations of discipline and modesty and the limits prescribed by you in dressing, talking, interacting with others. For only then I can hope to please you. I shall not succumb to the urges of the senses, for I realize that control of senses is the very basic qualification of a devotee. I realize that my progress is measured neither by the number of bhajans I sing, nor by the money I donate, but my detachment to the world and constant awareness of my oneness with you. I commit myself wholly to the pursuit of true education, the knowledge of the Atman, before which all the other worldly knowledge dims as the light of a candle dims before the sun. I shall only be attached to you and none else, like a chaste wife to her husband. Just one word, all these things are just a copy from Swami's literature. He wrote in Telugu, I just put them in some nice English words, that's it. I shall not complain about or expect anything from anyone else. I realize that the worldly scholarship, the riches, the possessions, houses, physical beauty and youth are passing, that only the love of you can save me from the fear of death. I shall only do what you want me to do and never do what you do not want me to do. I shall not rest until I realize that I am you. I shall dedicate every single moment of my existence from now for this purpose and do whatever it takes to attain this realization. Jai Sai Ram.
A few months ago, I had asked the young adults to do something different, not to just come and sing bhajans for us. Boy, were they different, right? They're making us think, let's go. And I think the fact that 99% of us are still sitting here and enjoying their program is proof for the amount of hard work they put in. Give them a big hand.